Welcome to the Top Dance 295 watts moving headlight DMX control tutorial. Basic light setup. Step 1. Connect the power to the 295 West moving headlight. Step 2. Connect the light to the DMX controller. Step 3. Power on both the light and DMX controller. Push the master fader to enable DMX control. Push fader 6 to turn on the light. Push fader 1 or 3 to control pan and tilt head movement. Push fader 8 to change light color. Push fader 9 to change the light pattern. Push fader 10 for light diffusion effect. Push fader 11 for rotation effect. Push fader 12 to activate fog effect. Push fader 13 to adjust the focus. Push fader 7 to turn off the light. Experience the stunning light effects with DMX control on the 295 watts moving headlight. Partner with Top Dance for excellent lighting.